Good day, everybody. My name is Karel van Rooyen. I'm a South African and I've been farming 31 years. I recently joined Walnuts Bulgaria, and today we're going to talk a lot about establishing your walnut trees and how we're going to get it in production as early as possible. With regenerative farming, we follow nature and we farm with microbes. Our belief is that a healthy soil with a good population of microbes will give us highly productive tree just within 3 to 4 years. Working with regenerative farming the past 10 years, and worldwide it's a major movement. When you buy the trees, it will be bare rooted from our cold room. The thing that's very, very important is you want the root system where it starts and where your first grafting point is. This is Chandler and this is a rootstock. Now this one is selected for resilience. It don't need toxic chemicals to keep it alive. It works with nature, it works with microbes, bacterial and fungal. The tree feeds the microbes and the microbes feed the tree. We can see here, we've got a problem that this rootstock feeding the Chandler. Now this Chandler are selected for specific traits. We want one nut size. We want a healthy good tree in accordance with our frost date. Now we don't want this below the grafting point because they are actually now keeping back the tree. This tree is just waking up, so we need to cut these ones. You must be careful. There must never be confusion before the grafting point and the second cut. That's your planting depth. Your root system starts just here, and this is your first grafting point. Now this is not a graft. This is only the first year, and this is the second year. What we can do now is just to take out the tip. What we're telling the tree, use those leaves, make them big, but use that energy, help the tree develop the roots, push it up, and we want the tree to start growing here. And then we go to the next one. There's still no leaves here. If we remove all, there's no factory. We can't build a tree without a factory. We're gonna just nip off this growing points. Once the tree has developed here, in 2 months' time, we cut this. The tree must have at least 30 days before the first frost or cold to heal the wounds. Now, in the case of this tree, we start to get some growth here. But one of these needs to be the central leader. It's going to be this one. Very important, people, when you work on the main stem of your tree, always use a little bit of alcohol. You're going to cut this one right here. Not straight, not so, 45 degrees, so that the water can run down. You can put some pruning paste or a good water-based paint, but the best is pruning paste. Now this tree are just waking up, but there's only one thing. Amazingly, this tree is already bearing fruits, but we need to just remove them, please. A lot of nutrients and moisture is going in to build this. And as long as you water and feed your tree, it's gonna make it big. And once that happens, this tree is gonna, what we say, stagnate. It's just gonna break itself. So if you start producing seeds, nuts in the first 2 years, I'm sure by year 3, you're gonna still have a small tree. But if you remove this, by year 3, you're gonna have a 3-meter tree, and by the 4th year, you're gonna have a good yield. And I thank you, everybody, and give me a good like if you like my video. Bye.